Detect and locate enemy targets.
Ahead 15 knots.
Helicopter launch sequence initiated.
Left rudder. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Left turn. All posts prepare for battle. Shoot at my command. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Heading right, 30 degrees. Battle stations, this is not a drill. Torpedoes away. Cannon systems armed and standing by. Enemy ship at full speed. They're flooding. Enemy ship destroyed. Ahead 15 knots. Target in sight. Missile away. Helicopter down. Torpedo fired. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch.